My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we have features such as eco data, vehicle precondition, my EV, Apple and Android CarPlay, smart settings, and voice control. The I-Pace also comes with a 360 degrees camera, as well as parking sensors. Here we can access our heated seats and climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.